Okay, so that's a new day, new work, new day. Let's close these things because I only care about ChatGPT open. Now I get some messages from yesterday. Take some notes, I guess, to take away, and I hope my I hope Visual Studio Code doesn't make my computer hang. And let's go here. Let's open Docker Desktop. Let's let's still wake up a little bit. Let's let's of course open the repo. We're working on it. And let's run the script. Yes. No, wait, do I need to run the script? Maybe I don't, because I didn't restart my computer. I don't. Okay. I need to watch the changes in the files. So that means that I can go here to the, oh no, wait, I was logging as hold on, as admin. This is not what I was doing. So I was here, right here. I change this to data pending, and then I save. An email is sent, and what I want to achieve is to give the admin the chance to write to define the content of the body of the email. But I got a few messages here, so let's take a look. Should have a few tasks here. It's done. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay. So hold on. Well, actually, I need to. I need to check out to my branch. Here, I didn't do changes. It's just discard this and check out to the integration branch, which has a lot of changes. And let's then basically, I think this is not gonna be okay. Oh yeah, it is okay. Okay. But I need to run this other script. Chokidar. Yeah, this one. And I need to trigger save on one of the less. Hold on. Here. Save. Okay, so not this one actually. This one, for example. Hello. Wait. Oh yeah. Damn it. This is commented out. There you go. I'm gonna save this, then it rebuilds the last files, and I refresh this page. Yeah, it looks the way it should look. Okay, so let's go to that page now. Actually, so the about page is this one, I think. Yeah, and it says that there is an area error. So if I open this, oh, there is an error here. I see. Oh, what is this? Oh, oh, I see. Okay, let's take a look. There's a section here. About section title. Oh, let's actually. There is a title here, but I don't see it in the page. Where is it? Oh, it's this one. It's this section is all this. I see. Catch. Why an H2 is an H. Yeah, okay, so the there is definitely so this has a label, and this label doesn't exist anywhere. Yeah. So here, of course, the question is, should I add this ID here? But this is a section for the whole content. So I think this should be the main title of the page should label the section. I get that feeling because this section is for the whole content except the photo. But these headings, yeah, no. But first, let's verify. I mean, no, I don't need to verify. It shows it in here. This section is for the entire content of the page. So I don't really need this section because let's get rid of the. I don't really need this section. I guess there is a main, which has the main content. I mean, there is no other content. Why do I want? Okay, so there is a section here. And this section does not have. This section is not doing anything here. This is why is this a section? This doesn't need to this doesn't need to be a section. So I'm gonna do what I think I should do. Not make it a section, and then I'm gonna not make it a section because this doesn't need to be a section. Remove this thing. The reason why it doesn't, oh, but hold on. Oh, I need to check if the fact that this is a section changes the styles. Yeah, it does change the styles because this, I need to check if it changes the styles. Well, it shouldn't have. That's why this is, no wait, this is not section. Section or dot section. Okay, I cannot dot section. This is not good. I keep it for history reasons or for to not break previously existing styles. But this is not good. Coupling styles to the section element is not good at all. This is not good at all. Because in that page I don't need section. There are lots of sections in the site. There are lots of sections. So what I can do is this here, undo this here, and then the styles are gonna be the same. Nothing changes. Absolutely nothing changes if I do that. These are the breadcrumbs. This is the navigation, and this is the title, and these things are positioned so that the page title is to the left and the breadcrumbs are to the right, probably with the wait. Probably the breadcrumbs are moved. There is no breadcrumb. Oh, it's area label. Sorry. Display background padding, border, pull right. It's a bootstrap class pull right, which is like all CSS. This is wouldn't be used. It wouldn't be done like this anymore. We would use some kind of margin left flexbox position absolute, but flexbox. I would use a flexbox here, obviously, but this is not using a flexbox because we're using Bootstrap 3, and Bootstrap 3 we didn't have flexbox yet, so it's a very old CSS. Why don't we use more modern Bootstrap version? Because would be too many changes, and there's no need to do some big refactoring. Bootstrap 3 it works. It's CSS. It works. It's not something that people would use now for new projects, but it works. And you know, like same way we use Vue 2. Why not use Vue 3? Well, Vue 2 it's okay. It works. Vue 3 would imply doing a bigger refactor, like same Vue. Migrating to Bootstrap 5 would imply making a bigger refactor, which means more time, which means more expensive, more money. And why fix something that is not broken? We don't need to do that. We don't need to update to the latest version always by default. The project is built with next pages folder. Do we suddenly need to update it to app folder? Well, I mean, that's a bad example, given that many next features are presented as production ready, but they're not, or at least so I heard. Okay, now I changed this code to something that I think is okay. If I refresh this, I'm gonna have no errors because there's no more a section. We have the H1, the H2, and then I'm gonna ask ChatGPT as a question about things. Should HTML page always be divided into section? When should I use section and when I shouldn't? Point to use point to a few use cases. Now let's go to oh, what? What? This is the MDM docs? So confused. Usage represents a generic standalone section of a document, which doesn't have a more specific semantic element to represent. The sections should always have a heading, with very few exceptions. Yeah. Usage notes, as mentioned above, section is a generic sectioning element that should be not only be used. There isn't a more specific element to represent it. As an example, an many should be wrapped in a nav element, but list of search results. List of search results. Map display and its controls. Okay, could be. So it's not very useful, I think, the section element. Generally, it should not be used necessarily. It always needs a title, otherwise it's like a div. Yeah. 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 Yeah, so the breadcrumbs could be a section on its own. Let's see what ChatGPT tell us. Yeah, I think I should use div. Yeah. Yeah, so in any case, in this page, the sections would be the individual paragraphs. This could be a section, this would be a section, this would be a section, this would be a section. But the making this whole thing a section, this whole thing, it doesn't make sense at all. We have the main, we have the H1, we have the nav, secondary navigation, and the content. And this could be an article. No, not really. Should not be an article because it's tied to this. It's not independent. Tied to the title. It doesn't make sense for it to be an article. Because an article would be like, imagine you have a blog post with title and content and everything, and basically you can grab that blog post and put it anywhere. Put it in any page, put it as part of any page. It's not tied to the page where it's displayed at all. So that would be an article. This is not the case because the article would be the whole content of the page in this case, in any case. But that's already wrapped by main, so there's no point in using sectioning here. Also, the breadcrumbs, this thing over here was a section. It doesn't need to be. Here we have an H1. Yeah, what? Okay. Here we have an H1. This is a navigation. You don't need to wrap this in a section. It's already defined what it is semantically. And the content is the content. Just we don't need to section the content either. This is changed. Remove this label, and then we have this thing. Okay, yeah. So it or refactor or fix, actually fix. No need to remove unneeded section from about page and end breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs. Yeah. What else do we have? Okay, let's actually quotes. Quote. Wait, what? Oh my god, what? What is that? Hold on. What? If I click here. Oh, I can do this. Nice. Quotes. Well, how does it work? I think if I do this, yes. I tend to use parentheses too much. Can or. Okay, let's go. Let's continue with this. Hmm. Let's see. All the playwright tests fail. It should not be the case, I think. npm install and npm what's that? Yeah, okay, let's where are the playwright? Here. npm test. npm run test. Huh? Okay. Okay. This. This. Oh, because I deleted the cache. Yes. Well, okay. Yeah, okay, finished. I was planning to go get a coffee while it was installing, but wait, wait, what? What is happening here? Hold on. What is all this? What is all this? Oh, hmm. Sorry, because I need to run this inside the Docker container. Get it? Yeah, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, I need to. There is a. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. I should. How do I? It should be in the here. Let's run one test. No configuration. Yeah. volumes networks. Okay. It's taking a while. We passed 3 tests, okay. Okay, so um, let's clean it up, and let's actually, so many files here. Go back here, and then we have this, and then it's telling me to run this thing. Let's run it separately. It's running this thing. Let's run the tests, and now it's a good time to go get a second coffee. They are failing. And it's taking a long time.